Hi guys, this is Wendy with Positive Talk, and this is my first YouTube channel. I'm cooking some fish. I just want to show you how, when you have high blood pressure, how you cook, without no salt. I know it's hard, but you have to keep your blood pressure. But you want to cook it where it's gonna have enough taste. Okay, I'm cooking some what they call steamed fish, red snapper, and I don't know if you could see it. And if you could see it, but I seasoned it already. Okay, 1 second. Yes, I seasoned it already. Let me see. Let me put it from this angle to see if you could see. No. Okay. So maybe. Okay. Yeah, I think from this angle you could see it's okay. You see it now, it's cooking. So what I did is I put curry in it and I season it with this seasoning. This is complete seasoning. This seasoning have everything in it, garlic, onion, whatever. And this is the same thing. It's the original seasoning. You got everything. So and I use some pepper and I use some turmeric and salt, sea salt. And I also have pink salt. It's in a bag here. I got it when I was in New York by my friend. But you could buy that thing, in Costco, or you could go to any one of the grocery store and ask them if they have pink salt or sea salt. They are the salt. They're not harsh. Okay, I'm putting some water now because I let it take the color with the curry. So now I'm putting some water and let it take its time and boil. And I put some eggplant in it. I put some onion, cut up some onion and some pepper in it. So you could season it however you want, you know, and it have a little taste. And then you could put a little butter and a little ketchup in it too. But your whole thing, what you want to do is stay away from the salt. When you go out to the restaurants, most of the stuff they have salt in it because they put salt in the seasoning. So you let them know, listen, can you cook without no make the stuff without no salt. If you go to the fast food restaurants, you want a fries, you tell them no salt. They do it. They will think it, and the first batch come out, you will get it. So I'm steaming some plantain here and some bulgur and some green banana, you know. And I did some spinach, you know, and I'm gonna do a little brown rice. It's instant brown rice. I don't like brown rice, but you know, the brown rice is more healthy than the white rice or the basmati rice. If you could get the basmati rice, and I do some salad, and I'm gonna fry some plantain. And usually I use this oil when I'm frying. I use extra um extra virgin olive oil and canola oil. Canola oil don't have any any like saturated fat and cholesterol and stuff like that, sodium and stuff like that. This, Winston canola oil. That's what I use. But not all the time that you want to fry. You want to sometimes you need to eat some fry, but you fry and you could also broil too, or which they say steam, broil. It's the same thing. And this is the butter that I use. Put a little bit of butter in it. Butter that I use, I can't believe it's butter. It's this butter. Can't believe it's butter. I don't know if you can see. That's the butter that I use. And if you want to use fresh seasoning, it's better. But I mean, if you don't, you could use a little seasoning, but little, little seasoning, and it will still give it a taste. If you're cooking for, you're not cooking for yourself, you're cooking for like, your family. They don't want no saltless food, so it's a problem. So they could add a little salt, you understand, in their food, and for instance, my son don't eat meat, but when I cooking soup, I mean, I don't reach to the stage yet no meat. But when I'm cooking soup, what I do, I cook the meat on the side. I cook it on the side, and then when the food cook and I take out my food, I throw the meat in it and I stir it up. And it give it a flavor too, because I season them, whatever meat. If it's like sometimes turkey, sometimes chicken, sometimes beef, beef bone, So you do it because you don't eat meat. So instead of you cooking one pot, two pot, you just, cook the meat on the side, you cook the food, and then when you take out your food, you just throw the meat in. It's very easy for that. So you could leave your comment below, you know, and you could subscribe to the channel, and I will be having more stuff on my next channel. I think I will be talking about drugs. So you could tune in, and thanks for watching. You have a blessed day.